How to share your Spotify profile to WhatsApp directly, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your Spotify profile to WhatsApp easy and fast. All what you have to do, go to Spotify. Now go to your profile from here and go to your profile. Now this is my profile. If you want to share your profile, all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on those three dots. After you click on them, it will take you to this page. Now choose share right here. And here you go. Now from here you can choose WhatsApp and share it directly, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.